Strength of acids and bases. You can judge acidity or basicity by using a universal indicator which shows different colors in different concentrations of hydrogen ions in a solution. pH scale helps in measuring hydrogen ion concentration in solutions. In pH, P stands for Potenz, which means strength in German. The scale reads from 0, meaning most acidic, to 14, meaning most basic. The value of pH indicates acidic or basic nature of a solution. The strength of base is represented by pOH. When the pH value is between 0 to 7, the solution is acidic in nature. At value 7, the solution is neutral, and between 7 to 14, the nature of the solution becomes alkaline or basic. When acids in aqueous give more number of H+ ions, then they are termed as strong acids. Similarly, when acids in aqueous give less number of H+ ions, then they are termed as weak acids. Is there any member in your family who suffers from acidity? What are its symptoms? Do you know why it happens? Do you know some household remedies to cure acidity? Many suffer from acidity. Symptoms are pain in stomach, burning sensation in food pipe. Baking soda in water is a cure. Milk of magnesia, that is magnesium hydroxide, is also a cure. Lime water with butter having butyric acid can cure acidity. Can you explain why? Based on the principle of solubility, like dissolves like, acidity can be controlled by acidic substance mixed with basic substance. Similarly, jaggery is used with tamarind while cooking. This helps in maintaining pH of our body. Importance of pH in and around you. Let us try out this activity. Collect sample of rainwater. Add few drops of universal indicator to it. Note the color change and also pH. What is the nature of rainwater? Color of water is yellowish green, which indicates that pH is 5.6. The nature of rainwater is acidic. When the pH of rainwater is less than 7, the rainwater is acidic. When it flows in a river, it lowers the pH of river water. Aquatic life is drastically affected due to acidic nature. Not only that, when this type of rainwater is absorbed by plants, it affects their growth, the flowers and fruits they bear, etc. The human body works within pH range of 7.35 to 7.45. Have you ever tried this activity? Collect your own saliva sample in the morning before you brush your teeth. Collect one more sample and test its pH with universal indicator after you brush. What will happen if pH is below 5.5? When the pH level lowers below 5.5, the acid level in the mouth is strong enough to attack the enamel and corrode it. You all know that tooth enamel is made up of hard matter, calcium phosphate. Food particles are degraded by bacteria in the mouth. With pH below 6, they corrode the phosphates to cause tooth decay. Activity. Collect various soil samples. Mix it with water and filter. Collect the filtrate in test tubes and test with universal indicator. Make a list of plants growing in that area. If paper shows orange color, pH of soil is 4, the soil is acidic. If color of paper is greenish to blue, pH is between 8 to 9 and the soil is alkaline. Hydrochloric acid produced in the stomach helps in digestion of food. The acidity or indigestion problems can be controlled by adding basic substances called antacids. Do you know red ants are known as phorma in Greek? When you are stung by a red ant, it causes itching and irritation. This is due to the acidic sting by red ants known as formic acid. Honey bee sting also causes a burning sensation.